How can you enter Apple ID on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So it depends on what exactly you want to do, because on your iPhone, you're going to check out the Apple Watch app like this, and if you go to the general section, you will be able to tap on Apple account and see specifically which Apple account you are using for it, right? So you're going to be able to see it like that, and this is the account which I'm using. Of course, it is the same one I also have on my iPhone, and I just have it all connected together, which most likely you have it the same way as well. So that's kind of how it works. Depends on where exactly you are required to type that in. Perhaps if you do it through the, some settings, or you can check out like the settings of your actual Apple Watch and tap on your profile in it there, and perhaps you will be able to just go through your personal information. It might also ask you to enter your Apple ID and password there. And if you are like wondering about the specific text input methods, it all comes down to, the regular typing on the Apple Watch, which might be, the dictation, scribble, or actual keyboard. So these are the most common things. So yeah, I'm just like giving you the general blueprint of how it kind of works. But if you have something very specific that I did not cover and you would like to know more about, please let me know about it below in the comments, and stay tuned by subscribing so you don't miss it, because I publish a lot of tutorials on the Apple Watch and all of the other topics. So I just don't want you to miss it. So stay subscribed, and I'll see you later in the next explanation videos like this one.